Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on PayPal notifications. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started. So what you need to do first is to go ahead and log into your account. Log into the account where you want to turn the notifications on for. So go into the login button in the upper right corner and get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have our recent activity, we have the send option, request money, and so on. Everything we need to get started. Now we can get started. So basically guys, it takes only one click to turn on your notifications. It's very easy, and right here when you log in and are greeted by the home page and the main page, all we need to do is just click this notification icon in the upper right corner. It's going to look like a bell, so you want to click this bell icon. That's going to enable you to turn on notifications if they are not already. If they're turned off, it's going to show you right here. You can go into your settings option right here. So click on your settings option, and by clicking your settings option, it's going to open up your account settings from which you can go and get started managing your notifications. So open up your notification center right here. From here, turn them on and you'll be able to receive them to your email and so on. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.